Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share where is the location of the fuse box in the Maserati Quattroporte 2014 GTS. So here is the boot area. Just go here, lift this one up and hold it here. Okay, easy and nicely. And you see this, let's open this one up. Here is the main battery and the wiring and all the things from the power setup. And here the fuse box, very easy to lift it up. There's one clip on this side, just put your finger down there, pop it, and you can see that this is where I press. So you press this one and that clip unclip, and inside you have the instruction, what is the location of the fuse. And if you want to know this, look at the manual book. Inside here, that's all the fuse you want to know, realize thing. So if you have anything that need to look up, anything not working, fuse blown, relays blown, everything, just have a check here first before you go anywhere else. So Maserati Quattroporte 2014 GTS. Thank you and see you then.